Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We're back for another episode, and it's really important to discuss what has been going on lately in the market, because there's quite a lot going on, right? I mean, we've got a Bitcoin that for the first time, it may close the month below the 200-week moving average. I mean, that is massive for the sentiment, for the way that the market perceives Bitcoin and therefore cryptocurrency. We've got a global market at the moment that is just hanging on 900 billion at the moment. It's about to drop into 800 territory. 3.75% down for the day. We've got Ethereum 5.51% down. BNB 6.87% down for the day. So it's been a day of red as we edge ever closer to the end of the month. So will Bitcoin close above the 200 moving average, keeping its momentum since the dawn of its existence? Or will it drop below the 200-week moving average for the very first time in its history? My thoughts, and again, it's not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, it's going to close below. It's actually going to close below, because it is the first time that the cryptocurrency market has gone through a global recession, global inflation, and so it would make sense. It would make sense. Now, the Xrp price has dropped below 34 cents. At the time of making this, we're sitting at 33. We're actually sitting at 3.336. 4.23% down for the day. So what can we expect as the month is about to close? Now, it has been interesting times. Indeed, it's been very interesting times. And so the bulls appear at the moment, at least, to be a little bit tired, and we've got some selling pressure at the moment in the entire market. And certainly Bitcoin closing below 22,000 USD would definitely bring more pressure into the market, right? And this is all the narrative that has been going on, right? This is what they want you to do, right? They want you to panic. They want you to sell. They want you to stop accumulating, right? Time in the market will always beat timing the market. Remember that. Put that on your forehead if you must. That's how important that line is. And pay attention. Stop doing two things at once. I know some of you do that. I know. Put whatever you're doing down. Take a listen. Now, Ripple introduced a CBDC competition to encourage XRPL innovation. So Ripple has announced the CBDC Innovate Challenge. With a total prize pool of $197,000, the Ripple CBDC Innovate Challenge seeks to inspire programmers to build applications capable of running on the XRP ledger and supporting retail CBDCs, interoperability, and financial inclusions. The deadline for the first batch of submissions is expected to be by August 25. Look, I gotta admit, this company and what they're up to at the moment on social media, the recruitment run that they're going on. Like, if you go on LinkedIn, it's like, we're hiring here, we're hiring there, we need more people here. If you know someone who knows someone, like, they're on a mission. They're absolutely on a mission. They've been getting ready for this bear season that we're in. They've been getting ready and they're going hammer. Now, reminds me of all the greats. It does. It reminds me of all the greats. When everybody was selling off, letting people go, they accumulated more staff, increased their marketing awareness, and dominated their market for decades. And that is exactly what I see going on here. And I'm pumped. I am so pumped. Now, former Ripple CTO is dumping millions of XRP. I love this, right? Traders beware. What are you talking about, FX3? We've known about this guy for ages. Right, it's Jed McCaleb. Right, he's only got 96.16 million tokens left. It's almost over. But see how a title can be deceiving. Titles can be very deceiving. Now, you guys did ask a few questions about GSX and what they're all about. And they are like a world's first growth coin, offering minimal rights and asset backing that grows in value. So in a time like we've had right now, some of you have been asking about it. Look, they hold quite a lot of gold, right? And they've multiple mining reports showing a total of over $3 trillion of estimated on GSX own mining claims. And GSX is currently leading the cryptocurrency market with the projects such as mass adoption added to their already large portfolio of mining projects. Now they've just announced, like, do your some research on it, right? GSXFintech.com. They've just secured substantial geotechnical report results from the Zambia ones, right? And this is pretty cool. Like, this is really, really cool stuff, that what they're up to and how they're going about it. So, I mean, that is pretty exciting about what they're up to and how it's going. And they've blown away their 3-year asset protection. They've blown away their targets of where they thought they would be. And by the end of 2024, they're set to be $30 billion, right? So they've got a plan, and they're sticking to their plan, right? And they've got 50,000 acres of land across Southern Africa. And 2 in Zimbabwe as well. So, like, it's research on it, because it's actually really, really cool what they're up to and what they do. They also have the GSX Visitor Center now open as well. And I'll be talking to you guys more about this as the weeks and months go on, because like I said, it's good to be diversified and to have something that is long-term backed by real gold. And also Knox Wire. Definitely you want to know more about it and check it out. And like I said, there is a whole plan that they're up to. I'll be talking to you guys way more about this as well. But overall, pretty exciting stuff. I know that you have lots of questions around this. It's not a simple thing to get around, but look, from a long-term perspective, they really do have a very, very solid roadmap. Now, when we look at the charts and we look at what we're up to, how it's going, and everything that is going on right now, we're sitting at 5% down for the day. And as this video has been going on, it's been going down and down and down further. Now, from a MACD point of view, though, we haven't hit bearish segment yet, and RSI is sort of sitting, just below halfway. Now, from a Bollinger Band perspective, you can tell where we are right now. We've had quite a number of, red candles. They haven't been huge red candles, but they've been red candles nevertheless. Like we've had, from 37 cents, all the way now to 33. And so remember what I was telling you guys a couple of days ago, that we could be starting to see XRP drop into the 20s. Well, this could be it. And like I said, it all plays, right? It all plays the narrative. Bitcoin closes below the 200-week moving average for the first time ever. Panic in the market. Prices drop. We accumulate 24 cents. And then I can see the market doing a reversal and starting to move and move fast once it starts to move. So is there a potential for a 24 cents XRP? Yes. Does it mean it's going to happen? No. It's not guarantee, right? It's not financial advice or not financial advice. It's just an interpretation of how I'm interpreting the markets right now. So where are we going? Well, there's strong support at around that 28 cents mark. There is a lot of strong support, but I think we'll go a little bit below it. Like, I think we will go quite a bit below it. And so be on the lookout. Like I said, to me, 24 makes sense. I mean, look, you could potentially see the market drop into the 28s and then bounce from there. But I think this one's going to be a little bit bigger. This is going to be a little bit bigger. It's going to be a little bit bigger. And like an Elliott-based formation would actually end up at 20 cents. But I don't quite think we're going to go that low. I don't think we're going to touch that low. But we are going to go low. That is for sure. Then once we find the bottom, then we'll kick off and start to move higher. But for now, we're looking for the bottom. We're looking for what is it going to be. My interpretation at the moment is 24 cents. Let's see. Could be 24, could be 26. We may even touch 20 and then bounce off, but I can see that happening. And again, it's just reading the market and reading the data. But that low 20 cents range, it's coming. It's coming. I'm looking at it and I can see it from different angles. And also you gotta look at the market and look at the narrative that the market is playing, right? I mean, it's like a movie, right? I mean, you go the good, the bad, and then the good in the end. Now, of course, the time in the market means that you will eventually get back into the green, right? It's just a matter of time. If what you have in your portfolio has real utility, is a good project, backed by lots of data to support why this project long term is going to exist, then time in the market will always win. It's just a matter of wait. And patience we do have. We have lots of patience for good things. So be patient out there. Hope you guys learned something new today. If you did learn something new today, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. As always, thank you. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.